today for just a few minutes about the connectivity feature. Have you used it before? Did you know, for those of you who have this machine, did you know it was even available? Well, Cheri, why don't you show us the table runner? Let's take a closer look right here under the camera.
Isn't this
is incredible.
Adorable? Let's pull, look at how cute that is.
This is how you're going to get a very long stitch out that, I mean, we don't have a hoop that fits this size, do we?
No, we do not.
And so, but we have what's called the connectivity feature that allows us to do this. So when you look at this, you have this honeycomb going from one end to the opposite end, and you were able to do this so seamlessly, weren't you, Sandra?
Actually, yeah, it was really easy. When I first saw this, I was really intrigued by it, and I said, Lisa, show me how you did that.
Yeah.
And she says, well, I did it on the machine. And I'm like, okay, but show me how you did this.
Exactly.
Because I wanted to learn, because it's a long design, and as you can see, it's not 3 different designs.
No.
It's just all one design that comes together.
Okay.
And so in order to do that, the design is on the machine.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you here at the machine. Let's take a look at the screen. Okay, so on the screen, if you go into number 7, it has more than one. Okay, more than one design. Okay, so
that can do the connectivity feature.
Yes,
okay.
And it's built into the machine.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see the different ones that it has. Okay, and I wanted to do, again, the bee hive. So you bring that in. Now, you can also see that it comes in 3 different sections.
Okay.
The first one is for the connectivity, but the other 3 you can actually do separately if you wanted.
Okay.
So they did break it out so you could do it separate. Okay.
All right.
So anyway, I'm going to pick that one right there, and it's going to bring up the first section of it, okay? So I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to embroider. Okay, so you would embroider this just as if you were to embroider any other project. Now, the thing that you have to remember is that we're not using any stabilizer.
Okay.
We're going to just put some fusible backing on the back of our fabric, and then we're going to put our fabric in the center of our hoop.
Okay.
Okay.
So you've got an example here to show us.
So let's take a look at this.
All right. What size hoop are you using on this one?
This is a 10 5/8 by 10 5/8.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see that I made I just did a finger press, and you probably can't see that, but this is the center right here. You can see a little fold there and a little fold there. So I made sure that it was lined up in the center of my hoop right there.
Okay.
With these little tick mark.
Okay.
Right. Now the thing you have to also remember is because you're not using stabilizer,
Yeah,
your
that's
fabric
interesting.
is going to make sure that you've got enough fabric
Okay.
for all of it, and fusible backing is a must.
Oh, so this is why you have it rolled up on the side.
Correct. 'Cause
Okay.
this is going to be the whole piece. I made it long enough to where I just have to move it in my hoop.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, we have some funny looking stickers going on right here. Tell us about this.
Okay, those are the little stickers that once you finish the project, the sticker is what's going to use your machine to line it up.
Wow.
For the next
Incredible.
hooping.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this in my machine really quick, and I'm going to kind of show you how this works, okay? So I've got this all stitched out, and I'm going to, so what I'm going to do, because of, camera, time, all the things, okay? I'm going to advance this to the very last step, okay? So I'm going to go,
Okay, so this would be, you had already stitched it out.
right, this is, it's all stitched.
And that's why we're going to the last step here.
because you have to do, I could probably go backwards and then come back in, but I have to go in order. I did find that out. I had to go in order to get to the point where it shows the connectivity. Otherwise, it just separates it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I'm going to go to there, and you can see where my stitch numbers are. So now I'm going to advance at stitch numbers so that I can get to the very last of this right here.
All right.
And I'm only going to do just a couple, 3 or 4 stitches, and then it'll show us what we're going to do.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to go by the hundreds because I'm watching my stitch number there.
So Eva's asking, where do you get the stickers? They come with the machine.
They do.
Yep.
They do. They come
And you
with
can
your
order
machine.
more as well, but
Yes.
they do come with the machine.
It's probably one of those things you stuck in the drawer.
Yeah,
And you didn't know what it
probably
was.
looked at them
Yeah.
and said, what the heck
do I
are
do with
these?
this?
What are
Yeah.
these all for?
Yeah.
But that's what these are for. It's going to line this all up.
Okay.
So you can see that I'm on stitch number 797, and I need to get to stitch 802. So I'm
Okay.
just going to
Stitch this part
stitch
out.
this last few stitches out on my bee.
Okay. What a beautiful design, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
my goodness.
Now it tells me that my embroidery is finished. And is it okay to connect your next pattern?
And you're going to say,
And
heck
I'm
yeah.
going to say, you bet. Now,
It says heck yeah on there.
Yeah, it should. It totally should.
your instruction manual goes through this exactly like this. So
Okay.
if you have your manual that shows you how
Okay.
everything you need to use it.
Okay.
Okay. So now, what do you see strange on that screen, Kris?
Well, I'm seeing a box around it, and I'm seeing that it's got this little guy right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
That almost looks like a ladder.
It looks like a ladder.
Okay.
So you can see that is their symbol for connecting the
Oh,
three
sure.
designs.
Okay.
So I'm going to hit that. Okay. And then it says
Whoa.
to select the position where the next pattern will be connected. And you can see that it's right there.
Sure.
And it shows you where it's going to connect. And that's what I want it to do. So then I'm
So
going to
do we
say,
say
okay.
heck yeah again?
Yep, heck
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay.
You got it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's going to move again.
Baby Lock, are you listening to this? It really should have a button that says heck yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Okay. So we see this sticker show up on the screen.
Okay, so I'm going to take mine off of there because I put it on. Anyway, so
What?
it shows on my.
Oh my gosh.
It shows on my on my thing right there.
Okay.
On
I've
my
never
project.
used this feature myself. This is incredible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm going to take the little sticker that you got.
You know what? Let's make sure. I don't know if we can get a closer shot on this, but can you guys see?
It looks like it looks like this.
It's actually projected onto the hoop, onto the project.
yes.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is okay. I know. This is just nuts.
Are you excited, Kris?
I'm just a little excited here, folks, because that is a projection. See how when my finger is under it, the light is going down over top of it. So that is actually a projection.
Well, and as you
of
see on
the
your finger,
snowman
put your finger
sticker.
back under there. See,
Okay.
now you can see it's got a red. See the red on it on your finger? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So I'm going to take that little sticker
There we
here.
go.
Oh, look at that image. Okay,
And
that's fantastic.
I am going to line that up exactly with that little
Wow.
image that's on my project right there.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
That's incredible, folks.
Okay.
I mean, what are you all thinking? Let us know in the comments because my mind is going berserk right now. Berserk.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
That was a stretch.
I'm just trying to keep up with Cher Bear. Okay.
All right. So then it's gonna scan it. So now it tells me, do you want it to scan? And I'm going, oh yeah, I want
Yes,
it to
heck
scan.
yeah.
So it's gonna move around a little bit here, and it's going to take a look at it. And again, if you watch
amazing.
it, that needle comes right down to the very center
Oh, my
of that
goodness.
stitch right
Amazing.
there.
Amazing. Okay.
So then you're going to come to this one, and this one is just a little bit off. So
Okay,
I
so
am going to
all you have to do is
take
peel
it
it away
off
and put it back on.
And these are reusable.
Okay.
This is like the 4th time I've used these.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to just take that little sticker again and put it back in its place.
Okay. Perfect. That
Okay.
looks good.
And then it's going to scan again. Okay.
It's amazing what these machines can do, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
The technology that's out there makes our sewing lives, embroidery lives, so much easier and a heck of a lot more fun.
Right.
Okay.
Now it says, do not remove the embroidery. You don't want to take those off of there. And then you're going to rehoop this.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay, that scares
That's
me.
scary.
Yeah.
It is. Trust
Okay,
me. It
okay.
is. It is very scary.
Oh, boy.
But it says you need to make sure that these stickers are within the embroidery field so it can scan it again and
Sure.
line it all up.
Sure.
Okay.
So we're now rehooping this.
Yes,
Is that
we
what
are.
you're telling me?
We are.
Oh, boy.
I'll let Sherry do it.
Oh boy.
Wow. Okay, so this is going to unhoop.
No,
And,
no.
oh,
That
yeah,
way.
Yep. We're going to pull that up. And how does she know where to rehoop it?
Okay, so if you kind of look on the screen again, it shows you where your hoop is, okay? And so you want to just make sure that these stickers right here are within that field.
Okay.
So I just kind of looked at it and went, okay, they had this flower in the hoop, in the side of the hoop. So I'm going to move that over that way, to about right there, because you know that you've only got so much that you're going to be able where your hoop is going to be.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
And
so
if
we
it's
want to
not-
make sure that our stickers are within that embroidery field.
Okay, but do I need to move it up because this fingers
You
press
do.
line is
You want to
like,
make sure that is right there
That
in the
fold.
center of my hoop, of that hoop.
Okay.
Okay, and as accurate as you can be. And my thoughts here, Cheri, is this is too far over.
So bring it
move
this
it that way.
So Marion's
Right
saying in
there.
the comments, yikes, rehooping is scary.
It is.
But
know,
it's
guys.
not going to be with this, right? Because it's
No.
going to take care of it for us.
Right. It is.
So exciting. So it's recognizing the hoop.
Uh-huh.
It's recognizing where the stickers are. Look at that. Look at that. Sandra!
Yeah. It's right on. Yeah.
Wow.
And
okay.
if you look here at that, it's
Oh my
it's
goodness.
right there exactly
Blown
where
away.
they're supposed to
Okay.
be. Okay. Now it tells you select the position, and that's exactly where
Sure.
we're going to do. The
Sure.
embroidery position marks are recognized.
Okay.
And then we can remove those. These are not in the embroidery field, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going
Okay.
to take them out and leave them there.
Okay.
And I'm going to say, okay.
And then you just start again,
And
and,
then you
it just matches it up perfectly.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. Okay,
does.
let's
What?
take a look at that table runner one more time. I mean, this is an amazing
like
discovery,
it
I'd
had
say.
to have gone like right there.
Right there.
Yes, right there.
Look how good that matched up.
Wow.
It was really fun to learn how to do this. I thought, because
Yeah.
we don't really know our machines until we start to really use them. And I
Incredible.
saw the design and I went, I want to make that.
It's beautiful.
I wanna
It's a
make that.
beautiful design,
And it's
yeah.
included.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it's all
that's
right
amazing.
here.